Alright, setting up the lathe for thread cutting. We're going to do 16 threads per inch, which is right there, standard thread. We have the dial on, we have the lever on number 1. Lever on number 1. We need 16 threads per inch. We need gear 30 on A and gear 30 on B, which is what we have set up right now. So we have gear 30 there and gear 30 there. Checking my thread pitch to make sure I'm on. Now, I don't know if you can see that very good, but I think I got it. Well, I tried to make threads on my little lathe and it didn't work out. I just got too many problems with the thing. When I moved out here to where I live now, the lathe fell over in the moving truck and got damaged. And I thought I had it close enough to cut some threads on it, but it's not working. It's giving me problems. So I got my work cut out for me, but I'll get it to the point where I can cut some threads. So that's it for now, and I'll talk to you later. I was hoping to be able to show you something, but it's not working out like I thought. Alright, bye. Like and subscribe, and there'll be more videos to come. I just got to come up with what I'm going to make or do.